welcome to the Fumble. I'm Crystal Marine. Just when you thought you'd seen it all, this happened. Late in the third quarter, the Colts tried to trick the Patriots on fourth down by lining up all their players on the right side of the field, which is illegal. It looked to be an attempt to get the New England defense to jump offsides, but for some reason, Indianapolis decided to snap it. That was perhaps the most bizarre play of the NFL season. The Colts were penalized in the most hilarious fashion.
Illegal formation. The whole right side of the line was not on the line of scrimmage. Offense. This penalty is declined.
The Patriots got the ball and scored a touchdown on a short drive to open up a 13-point lead, so it's safe to say that didn't work. It was just not good, punter Pat McAfee said. A complete cluster. Not good for a trick that McAfee said the team had been working on as early as last year. Colts coach Chuck Pagano took responsibility for the botched play.
Alignment-wise, we weren't lined up correctly. It's all on me. I take full responsibility on that, and I didn't do a good enough job.
Tom Brady threw for 312 yards, 3 touchdowns, and led the Patriots to a 34-27 victory Sunday night in the highly anticipated Deflategate rematch. The Colts learned the hard way that it takes talent, not tricks, to beat the Patriots. The Miami Dolphins know how to execute a proper trick play. Click here to watch the Dolphins trick the Tennessee Titans with a Statue of Liberty touchdown. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to The Fumble for the best highlights from all your favorite sporting events.